My theory is that the back carriage ball joint, the here, this is too big or it needs to be sanded down. Um, According to Fusion 360, the modeling software, has at least a meter tolerance. I'm not sure, maybe it's half meter, not a meter, a millimeter, half millimeter each side. But when you 3D printing, it's not really necessarily enough. The front joint is much smoother. So let's show you. The the proof is not just necessarily the hill top, the crest so much. You can already hear it. It's much smoother. I'm just scared that these wheels are gonna spin off. That's another problem. I have to redesign the wheel assemblies so that the nuts are held in place. Not exactly sure how I'm gonna do that, but we'll figure it out. So let's see. Let it sit on top. Hold my finger at the end and nudge it. Or it fell off. You saw how smooth that was. I'm putting the camera down for half a second so I can put it back on the track. I'm just adjusting the making sure all the bearings and nuts are tightened so they don't fall off. On my next test, I'm putting it on the track. Bear with me a moment. Let me show you what I'm doing. Trying to get this back on. There, almost got it. There we are. Okay, moment of truth. Does it make it down that really twisty part? Sorry, my camera is not really to hold it out. Let's go like this. Where does it want to look at? So I don't think it needs weight. I just need to fix up the ball joint, and also I need to fix up the wheel assemblies so that the nuts will stay on by themselves. I haven't found a small M1 lock nut type of thing, lock washer.